This class is for class 8 and chapter we are discussing chapter 12, that is fundamental concepts and operations. This is in continuation to the previous class. In the previous class we have discussed up to question number 3 of example 12 of exercise 12C. So now we move on to the fourth question. It has 4 parts, so we will be doing second part and fourth part, right? Now in this what we have to do, we have to multiply this by this. So simply we all know that when we multiply each term of one bracket is multiplied to the each term of the second bracket. So simply we can write it as x square plus 2x minus 1 into, either you write or you don't write, either you put a cross in between or you put a point in between, it all means equal to, or if they are written together means next to each other, it also means multiplication. Suppose I say 4xyz, it means 4 into x into y into z. So this into this or this into this means this, and next to this the other polynomial is written, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Now what we do, first x square will be multiplied to whole of this, so I am separating, means I am expanding this, that is x square into x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 plus 2x into x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, and then minus 1 into x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. What I did, first x square is multiplied to this whole, then plus 2x is multiplied to this whole bracket or all the terms, and then minus 1 is multiplied to this. So minus 1 into all this, plus 2x into all this, and x square. Now we start with the multiplication. X square and x cube is x to the power 5. We know that when the bases are same, powers are different, powers get added and base remains as it is. X square and into minus 4x square, that will be minus 4x to the power 4. X square plus 5x, that is plus 5x cube minus 2x square. Now 2x again to multiply to all this, 2x into x cube is 2x to the power 4 minus 4 2s are 8x cube, then 5 2s are 10, so plus 10x square, 2 2s are 4 minus 4x, then minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube, minus minus plus 4x square minus 5x and plus 2. Now we'll find out the like terms. So x to the power 5, first is x to the power 5, we don't have any x to the power 5 over here. Now minus 4x to the power 4 and plus 2x to the power 4 will give you minus 2x to the power 4. This is minus, let's say minus 4 oranges plus 2 oranges. So final value will be minus 2 oranges, and oranges was in the form of x to the power 4. Now 5x cube and minus 8x cube. 5x cube minus 8x cube will be minus 3x cube. Then and minus one more minus x cube is there, so minus 3, it means it will become minus 4x cube. 4 and 8 and 1 9, so minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. Now 2x minus 2x square plus 4x square minus 2x square plus 10x square will give you 8x square. 8 plus 4x square is 12x square, so plus 12x square. Now what is left? Only minus 5x and plus 2. So we have, what we did, we first multiplied and then took the like terms, and according to their sign we added or subtracted. So that is the final answer. Now we move on to the question fourth part. In this it will come as 9x. Why? Because this minus 4x we missed. So this is minus 4x and minus 5x, total makes minus 9x and then plus 2. Now we move on to the other. Now in the fourth part, the question is multiply 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 4. Again we will do the same thing, that is x square minus 3x plus 4 into 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7. Now we'll open the first bracket, or it can be written as x square into 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7. Then minus 3x again into 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7, and again into plus 4 into 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7. We will multiply all and we'll take the like terms, and then we'll arrange, according to their sign plus and minus, we'll find the final value. Now x square into 3x to the power 4 is 3, x to the power 6 minus x square into x square is x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, x square into 6x cube minus 7 into x square is 7x square. Then 3x into 3x to the power 4 is 3 3s are 9, x to the power 5 minus, and this minus is plus, 3x into x square will be 3x cube minus and plus is minus, 6 3s are 18x square minus and minus is plus, 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12, x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 24x minus 7 4s are 28. Now we'll find out. First is 3x to the power 6. We don't have any other term with 3x with x to the power 6, so it is, we'll write it as it is, 3x to the power 6. Now minus x to the power 4 and 12x to the power 4 is there, but we have in between minus 9x to the power 5. So it will be, first we'll write minus 9x to the power 5, because we write the polynomials in the descending power of their degrees and powers. So 6, 5. Now we'll move on to x to the power 4. So minus x to the power 4 and 12x to the power 4. Minus x to the power 4 plus 12x to the power 4 gives you plus 11x to the power 4. Then 6 plus 6x cube plus 3, 9x, 6x cube, and that is all. So plus 9x cube minus 7x square and minus 18, that is 25, minus 18 and 4 is also there. So 4 and 18 is 22, 22 and 7 is 29. So all of them are minus, so they will be added. So you will get 29x square. This, and this. Now 21x plus 24x. So that is plus 35. 35x. 12 plus 24 is 30. Sorry. 21 plus 21x plus 24, 4 and 5 and 45. So it is 45x, and what is left? Now all this have been done. What is left? Only minus 28 is left. So minus 28, that is the final value. Now next topic is division of polynomials. Next topic is division of polynomials. In division of polynomials, there are three things you need to remember. A monomial divided by a monomial, or polynomial divided by a monomial, and this is first, second and third. Three types of questions you will be getting or you have to solve. Monomial when divided by a monomial, polynomial when divided by a polynomial or by a monomial, or polynomial is divided by a polynomial. So these three things you need to remember. Now if it is a monomial, let's say 4x square y divided by x 2xy. So this is about Monomial, this is also monomial and it is divided by a monomial. So simply what you will do, 4x square y upon 2xy. Now x and x cancel, x and x cancelled, y and y cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So what is left? 2x. That is the final value. Let us say that polynomial when divided by a monomial. So polynomial can be 2, 3 or more. Let's say 3x square plus 6x plus let's say 8x cube, and this total is divided by 2x. So what we will do, 3x square plus 6x plus 8x cube total upon 2x. So we can separate it. When we separate it, this can be written as 3x square upon 2x plus 6x upon 2x plus 8x cube upon 2x. Means if you break, this can be written as numerator upon denominator plus numerator upon denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Why? Because when you take the LCM, what will be their LCM? Again 2x. So this will come back to its original condition, 3x square plus 3x plus 8x cube. So we can separate them or we can even break them. Now this was no need to this. Now when you divide, this x and this x cancels, this x and x cancels, 2 3s are 6 and 2x cube cancels, you will get square, 2 4s 8. So final value you can get it as 3 upon 2x plus 3 plus 4x square, or that can be written as 4x square plus 3 upon 2x plus 3. This is when a polynomial is divided by a monomial. And when a polynomial is divided by a polynomial, we follow the long division method. That I will be discussing according to the problem. Now we are moving to exercise 12D and let's solve the first question. I hope this you have understood. If it is a monomial by a monomial, division is between two monomials, then we simply write them in the form of upon and we cancel the powers and the like terms and so on. If it is a polynomial divided by a monomial, again the same pattern is used. But when it is a polynomial divided by a polynomial, we follow the long division method. We move on to first question, and I think first question has 2-3 parts. Now let's see. First question has exercise 12D we are talking, question number 1, and there are 3 parts. I'll do the second part. It is given that divide 48 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 by b to the power 6 by minus 16 a square and c square. Now this is a monomial as well as this is a monomial. When we divide, we simply write in the form of upon and we solve. So this can be written as 48 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 upon minus 16 a square and c square. Now we know that 16 3 is 48. A square is there, this will cancel, it will become 4 will cancel, it will become 2. C square is there, this will whole cancel, it will become 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So final value is minus 3 a square b to the power 5 c to the power 4. That is the final value. Let's do the second part also. Second part is minus 4 upon 5 a square b square c to the power 4, and this has to be divided by minus 6 upon 15 a b c square. So again this will be written as minus 4 upon 5 a square b square c to the power 4 divided by minus 6 upon 15 a b c square. Now minus 4 upon 5, I am solving it here, minus 4 upon 5 when divided by minus 6 upon 15, we know that division sign converts to the multiplication and the fraction next to the division sign gets reciprocal. So this can be written as minus 4 upon 5 into 15 upon minus 6. Now minus and minus will cancel. 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So final value is 2. Means when we are solving this total, the numerical coefficient of these two monomials, we will be getting 2. So I am writing directly 2 because I have shown the working over there. Now a square and this is a. So a square can be written as a into a upon a. So a and a will cancel, you will be left with only a. So we'll get a. Now we talk about b square. B square can be written as b upon b, b into b upon b. Now b into b is b square upon b. B and b cancelled, we will get b. Similarly c to the power 4 upon c square can be written as c into c into c into c. 4 c's and 2 c over here. 1, 2, 1, 2. How much is left? C into c is left, that is c square. So we can write it as c square, that is the final value. Now we move on to the next question. Now I have taken question number 2. It is 6x to the second part. 6x to the power 7 minus 8x to the power 6 plus 4x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, and that is to be divided by minus 2x cube. In the first question it was a monomial was divided by a monomial. But in this second question, this you can see is a polynomial and divided by a monomial. So we know when polynomial is divided by a monomial, I am writing instead of by, I am writing this as division, making a division sign. Here this total is divided by this total. So how do we write? We write the whole question means 6x to the power 7 minus 8x to the power 6 plus 4x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, and division sign means upon, and upon what? Minus 2x cube. Now we will separate them. Separate them means 6x to the power 7 upon minus 2x cube, then minus 8x to the power 6 upon minus 2x cube plus 4x to the power 5 upon minus 2x cube minus 10x to the power 4 upon minus 2x cube plus 6x cube upon minus 2x cube. Once we have written it in the fragmented form or in the smaller form, now we start with the division. So 2 3s are 6 and there is already a minus sign, so it will be minus 3. Now x to the power 3 will cancel and what will be left? 4, because 7 minus 3 is 4. So x to the power 4 minus this minus and this minus will cancel, you will get plus. So cancelled. So x 2 4s are 8 and x cube, this cancels x to the power 6. What is left? 3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. So we'll get 4x cube. Similarly, plus and minus, so we'll have minus 2, 2s are 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, so x square, minus and minus is plus, 2 5s are 10, this minus and minus will cancel, it will become plus, x cube and x to the power 4, so 4 minus 3 is 1, so 5 x to the power 1 or simply x, so it will cancel, you will get 1. Now minus 2 when cancel 6, it becomes 3, so minus 3 and x cube cancel, so nothing is left, so that is the final value. I hope you must have understood. If any doubt in this, you can separate them. So let's talk about this particular thing. It was 4x to the power 5 upon minus 2x to the power 3 can be written as 4 into x 2 3 4 5 upon minus 2 into x, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3x. 1, 2, 3x cancel. 2 2s are 4. So 2 and nothing is left over here. At least minus 1 is left. 1, 2. So 2x is left. Means x into x. So the 2x square upon minus 1 can be written as minus of 2x square. And that is why we are getting minus 2x square over here. So similarly, if there is any problem in understanding, you can just expand all these polynomials and simply divide, you will get the value. Now we move on to the second part, that is I think that is the fourth part. Let's move on to the fourth part. Now I have taken second question, fourth part. Again you can see that this total is a polynomial. 3 upon 4 ABC minus 2 upon 5 A square BC square plus 1 upon 7 AB square, and has to be divided by a monomial, that is 1 upon 3 of ABC. First thing what we'll do, this total upon this total, that I am not writing. After that, having in the total, we separate them, so I am writing directly separately. 3 upon 4 ABC upon 1 upon 3 ABC minus 2 upon 5 A square B C square upon 1 upon 3 ABC plus 1 upon 7 AB square upon 1 upon 3 ABC. Now what we will do, first of all we have to solve the numeral coefficient. So numeral coefficient, you know, let's talk about the first one. 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 3 can be written as 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 1. Reciprocal, so 3 3s are 9 upon 4. So final value will be this and this. After solving we are getting 9 upon 4. And ABC and ABC will cancel each other. Why? ABC can be written as A into B into C upon, and upon ABC can also be written as A into B into C, 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 B, B, A cancelled. So finally we don't have anything, we have only 1 left, so no need to write 1. Now minus 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 3 means 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 1, that is 6 upon 5. So can be written as 6 upon 5. This A cancels, only 1 A is left. B cancels completely B, and C cancels only 1 C. So 6 upon 5 AC is left, plus 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 1 will be 3 upon 7. Why? Because 1 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 3 can be written as 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 1. 3 into 1 is 3, 7 into 1 is 7. So 3 upon 7. And 1 of the B cancelled, C is not cancelled. So it means you are getting, in the numerator it is B and in the denominator it is C. So that is the final value. So this is the solution. This has been the solution. Now I am ending this class, and the next thing that is left, I hope you would have understood division of monomials by a monomial and polynomials by a monomial. Now next will be division of polynomials by polynomials, and in that it will take a time and you need to understand every step. So that will be discussed in the next class. So please keep on sharing your knowledge that I am giving you, because it expands while sharing. So for the time, stay blessed, stay at home and keep on studying, keep on practicing. Thank you all of you.